हेलो फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज़ निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। हम कर रहे हैं वन सब्स्टिट्यूशनल वर्ड। तो ये पार्ट हमारा थर्ड होगा, तो टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए स्टार्ट करते हैं। अमाउंट ऑफ मनी डिमांडेड बाय किडनैपर। जो अमाउंट होता है, डिमांड करता है किडनैपर, उसे क्या कहते हैं? उसे कहते हैं रैंसोम। उसे कहा जाता है रैंसोम। ईजी टू शेप इन एनी डिज़ायर्ड फ्रॉम। easy to shape in any desire from is malleable, is called as a malleable. A hater of woman, a hater of woman is called misogynist. misogynist जो women को hate करता है उसे misogynist कहता है. A large burial ground is cemetery. The large burial ground is cemetery. जहाँ पे बर्नल जलाया जाता है, ग्राउंड जहाँ पे चीज़ें जलाई जाती है उसे cemetery कहते हैं. To supply land with water by artificially means. To supply land with water by artificially means irrigated. It means irrigated. A co-worker in an office, a co-worker in an office or institution is colleague. A co-worker in an office or institution is or called institution. A man who is quite like a woman. A man who is quite like a woman is called effeminate. effeminate कहा जाता है उसे. और one who motive is merely to get money is called Marinary. The study of plant life is called botany. The study of plant is called botany. Animal which live in a water, aquatic. Animal which live in a water is called aquatic. Instrument that magnifies object, microscope. Instrument that magnify object is called microscope. One who is unable to pay on one's debut, bankrupt. One who is not pay any debate, bankrupt. Exclusive possession or control to anything, monopoly. Exclusive pollution and control anything in monopoly. The study of word is called ornithology. The study of bird is called astrology. One who loves or support his on her country and it is willing to defend it called patriote. It is called patriote. Likely to arouse enemy jealousy is enable. Is an enable. Existing only in mind is called imaginary. Existing in only mind is called imaginary. One who eat too much is called glutton. जो सबसे ज़्यादा खाता है उसे कहते हैं glutton. Taking disrespect to sacred things. Talking too disrespectfully of sacred things is called blasphemy. A handwriting which is difficult or impossible to read, illegible. A handwriting which is difficult or impossible to read, irreadable. Animal that eat fleshy, carnivorous. Animals that eat fleshy, carnivorous. One who knows everything. One who knows everything, omniscient. Inability to sleep, insomnia. Inability to sleep, insomnia. A list of name of book catalog. A list of book name of catalog. Yearly celebration of date or event, anniversary. Yearly celebrate date on event, anniversary. One person who is killed because of their religion or other beliefs in matrimony. Man live in the same age, contemporary. Man living in the same age, contemporary. A list of books or writings of one author or one subject is called bibliography. A list of books and writing a list of book and writing of one author or one subject called bibliography. Next, the conference that take place once in 3 years. The conference that take place once in 3 years, triennial उसे कहते हैं हम triennial कहते हैं. Meaningless language with an aggregate style intended to impress in rhetoric. The production of raw silk. Is called sericulture. The production of raw silk is called sericulture. politician who are notorious for doing undue favor to their relative nepotism. A person who helps even a stranger in difficult, Samaritan. A person who help even a stranger in difficult is called Samaritan. Evil reputation have an evil reputation, notorious. A person readily believe other, credulous. A person who readily believe other, credulous कहलाता है. Enclosed in a small closed spaced, enclosed a small closed space, claustrophobia. उसे कहते हैं हम क्लास्ट्रोफोबिया, वो कहलाता है हमारा क्लास्ट्रोफोबिया. अ पॉलिटिकल लीडर अपीलिंग टू पॉपुलर डिजायर एंड प्रेजुडिस is called demagogious. Science regarding principle of classification is known as taxonomy. Not allowing the passage of life, opaque. Operation of body after death, postmortem. Operation of the body after death is called postmortem. A group of three powerful people is triumvirate. A group of three powerful people is called triumvirate. An apart of building in which each apartment is owned separately by the people living in it, but also containing share area is called a condominium. A person who is consume human flesh is cannibal. Stealing of idea on writing of someone else, plagiarism. Stealing of idea and writing of someone else, plagiarism. Detailed plan of a genre is called interacy. Detailed plan of a genre is itinerary. A school boy who frequently cut classes is a torrent. A school who frequently cut classes is called torrent. One who cannot be corrected, incorrigible. One who hate women is called misogynist. A general pardon granted by the government. Of the political offense is amnesty. A person specially interested in the study of coin and medal is called numismatic. A person in a vehicle or horseback escorting another vehicle is called escort. International destruction of the racial group is genocide. Prohibited by law or treated from being imported or exported. Contraband कहते हैं उसे. Excessively excessively morbid desire to steal is called calpotomonia. A person who is greatly respected because of wisdom is called venerable. A person who is greatly respected because of wisdom is called venerable. One who is unaffected or indifferent to joy. One who is unaffected or indifferent to joy, pain, pleasure or grief is called stoic. That which cannot be believed is called incredible. One who is powerful, omnipotent. An act of violence to take control of plane is hijack. Send or bring somebody back to his own country is repatriate. Sending and bring somebody on its own country is called repatriate. Animal that lives in a particular region is called native. A form of government in which supreme power rests with people is democracy. A form of government in which supreme power rests in peace is called democracy. Murder of brother is Pharisticide. A murder of brother is called pharisicide. One who enjoy inflicting pain on himself. One who enjoy inflicting pain on himself is called masochist कहते हैं. To die without having a willing, die without having to die without having made a will is called interstate. Not possible, pleased by the anything fastidious, not easily pleased by anything fastidious. To play the part of and function as some other person is act. To play the part of and function as some other person act. Handwriting which is difficult, impossible to read is legible. Handwriting which is difficult to impossible to read is called illegible. More like a woman that a man is manner is habit is called effeminate. More like a woman than a male is manner habit is called effeminate. An exact copy of handwriting or a picture produced by a machine is called copy. One who think or speak too much of himself is egoistic. One who think or speak too much of himself is egoistic. One who accept pleasure and pain equally stoic. Having juicy or fleshy and thick tissue is called succulent. The study of practice of dancing and composing bells. The study of practice of dancing and composing belt is called choreography. A set of three related work by same author. A set of three related work by a same author is called trilogy. Science of human mind and behavior is called psychology. Science of human mind and behavior is called psychology. The person of obscure position who has gaining wealth is called parvenu. A word composed of the first letter of the word in a phrase is called acronymy. The act of producing beautiful handwriting using a brush or a special pen is calligraphy. Act of producing beautiful handwriting using a brush or a special pen is called calligraphy. Words inscribed on a tomb is called epitaph. An obviously true or hackneyed statement is called Turinism. Obviously true and hackneyed statement is called Turism. To reduce nothing null. A study of sound is known as phonetic. A study of sound is known as phonetic. Written law of legalistic body is called status. Written law of legalistic body is called status. A person who show off his her in learning is called pedant. A person who is devoted his her life for the welfare of other is altruistic. The study of worm and insect is called entomology. The study of worm and insect is known as entomology. A person who attended to the disease of an eye in an oculistic. A person who attend to the disease of the eyes. The person who attend the disease of the eyes in called oculistic. Study of the nature of God is called theology. The study of the nature of God is called theology. That which cannot be defected. That which cannot be defected called invisibly. The decorative handwriting is called calligraphy. A person difficult to please fastidious. Person difficult to please fastidious. A list of passenger and luggage is called waybill. A list of passenger and luggage is called waybill. The line where the land and sky seem to meet horizon. And handwriting that cannot be read illegible. A handwriting that cannot be read is called illegible. Next, a word written on a tomb. A word written in a tomb of a dead person. A word written on a tomb of a dead person is called epitaph. Claustrophobia. The fear of The fear of the closed space is called is claustrophobia. The fear of the space called claustrophobia. A remedy for all disease is called panacea. A remedy for all disease is called panacea. One who studied that art of gardening is called horticulture. Horticulturist. A pole or beam used as a temporary support. A pole or beam used as a temporary support is called prop. A building in which aircraft are housed is hangar. A building in which aircraft are housed hangar. A farmer study of a school. A farmer study student of a school, college and university is called alumnus. A short story based on personal experience anecdote. A short story based on personal experience anecdote. One who take care of the building, warden. One who take care of the building is called warden. Incapable of being approach inaccessible. Being incapable of being approached inaccessible. One who lend money at very high interest. One who lend money at very high interest. Assurance. One who live survive on another live parasite. Detailed plan for journey is called itinerary. One who possesses many talented. Versatile. A medicine to nullify the effect of poison is called antidote. A person who believe in himself. एक पर्सन जो बिलीव करता है हर सेल्फ पर, अपने आप पर, वो करता है रिक्यूल्यू. इसे कहते हैं रिक्लूज. ए assembly of worshipper is called congregation. Or assembly of worship is called congregation. A heavy continuous fall in rail is called downpour. A heavy continuous fall in rail is called downpour. A public institution for the care and protection of child without parent. A public institution for the care and protection of the child without the parent is called offense. An inscription on a tomb is called epitaph. A man of evil reputation Norticius. उसे कहते हैं हम जिसकी evil reputation हो Norticius. A decorative ring of flower and leaf is called breath. Shaking movement of the ground is called tumorous. Sorry. A game in which no one withdraw. A game in which no one withdraw the draw. The art of making map and the art of making map and chart is cartography. Animals that can live on land and water, amphibian. Completing a period of 100 years is centennial. A figure with many angle of sight, polygon. A list of thinking to be discussed at a meeting is called agenda. A large number of fish swimming together is called shoal. It's called shoal. A room of building for the preservation of the plant is called plantain. Liable to easy broken. Veritile. A principle of standard by which anything can be judged. Criterion. A person who is self-centered, egoistic. A word that ready the same as backward and forward is called palindrome. The flaring of many guns at the same time to mark an occasion is called fusillade. A person who support or speak favor of the something is called advocate. One living on vegetable, vegetarian. An extract from book of writing, excerpt. A person who files a suit. Plaintiff. A person who abstain completely from alcoholic drink is called teetotaler. Long poem based on noble theme is epic. Non-long poem based on noble theme is epic. One who leave both land and as well as water is called amphibian. One who leave both water and land is called amphibian. A strong dislike any monastery. The to great pleasure reveal. Great pleasure reveal. To great pleasure reveal. A practice. The practice of having many waves. The practice of having many waves is called polygamy. Not like to be easily placed, fastidious. Not like to easy placed, fastidious. A professional soldier hired to serve a foreign army is mercenary. Is called a mercenary. The collection of slave. The collection of slave is called coffee. The collection of slave is called coffee. One who is always doubting. One who always doubting, skeptic. Separate. One who offer to his service his own free will, volunteer. A person who repair broken wined glasses, glazier. The art of beautiful handwriting, calligraphy. A writing or a speech in a praise of someone is called eulogy. Loss of memory is called amnesia. A speech made without the preparation. A speech made without the preparation, extempore. A speaker to platform, podium. Science of practice of map, drawing, cartography. Motive or incitement of the action, incentive. A short trip of excursion is called jaunt. Speech which is not audible, inaudible. Partner in crime is called accomplices. A state where no law or order exists. Anarchy. To free completely from blame, exonerate. Estimate of the things worth appreciation. The supplement to will, cocodicial. A person who collect the coin, numeralist. Favorism granted in a politicals or business to relative is called nepotism. A word or practice that has gone out of use, obsolete. A person who work for an employer or for a fixed period of time in order to learn the particular skill need in job their apprehensive. A part of word that can be pronounced separately is slavery. Relating to kindship with the father, paternally. The special fondness and liking for is called propensity. Something that might happen in future. Something might happen in the future is contingency. Affecting or relating to cow, bovine. A drink usually made from the mixture of more and more alcoholic drink is called cocktail. Passing out of the use is obsolescent. The act of speaking about one through when one is alone, soliloquy. All the art, belief and social institution characteristic of race is called civilization. Small piece of metal that fly out from exploding bomb is called shrapnel. The small piece of metal that flying out of the exploding bomb is called shrapnel. Person believe in free will, libertarian. Wholly exhausted by animal and drowning is called boron. Penetrating to ship is called bovine. To remove an objectable part from a book is called exoporograte. A doctor who specializes in disease of the nose is called rhinologist. A man know a lot about things like a food, music and art is called connoisseur. A wooden object used For connecting animals that are pulling or vehicle is called yoke. Having a tall smell and taste is called renicide. Material that change naturally by the action of bacteria is called biodegradable. Government by a few is called government by a few is called oligarchy. Study of cave is called speleology. The fiction's name, especially one assumed by author, is called pseudonymy. Animal that eat flesh is called omnivorous. The speech delivered without any preparation is called extempore. The drug or other substance that induce sleep is called sedative. Animal which suckle their young is mammal. Beyond correction is called incorrigible. An event that caused great harm to them, disaster. A book written by unknown anonymous. A book written by known as anonymous. Inflammation of gums is called gingivitis. Widespread scarcity of food is called famine. A poem of 14 lines is called sonnet. Wild imagination is called fantasy. An allowance made of to a wife by her husband when they are legally separated is called alimony. One who believes everything he his her credulous, incapable of error, infallible. People of no fixed abode, nomads. A person who can make himself herself feel at home at any country. It's called cosmopolitan. Code of diplomatic authentic and precedence is called protocol. To that which make it difficult to recognize the presence of real nature of something is called camouflage. A full agreement of all member unanimously. Short speech poem give at the end of the play and book is called epilogue. Accidental good fortune is called fluke. Lack of feeling is called apathy. Lack of feeling is called apathy. Brought back to mind reminiscent. A person who drives or motor car. Chauffeur. A small village or group of houses is called hamlet. A small village or group or house is called hamlet. A person who loves everybody. Atrocity. Allostricity. All trust. A person who love everyone. Person leading a life of strict self discipline. A person a person leading a life strictly it self discipline is called ascetic. One who is neither intelligent or nor dull is called medicure. That which cannot be drunk potable. A government run by officially is called bureaucracy. One who does something from the first time is pioneer. One who play for the pleasure rather than as a professional amateur. Free somebody from blame and guilt is called exonerate. Underground place for storing underground place for storing wind and other provision is called cellular. A list of explanation of rare technical or absolute word is called glossary. Study of the interaction of the people with environmental philosophy. Incapable of being treated infatigable. Guilty of crime is called concave, which cannot be reached, inaccessible. With that which cannot be reached, inaccessible. A person who collect and study stamp philatelist. People at a religious gathering is congregation. Government of wealthy plutocracy. A branch of the medicine concerned with the child and illness is a branch of the medicine and child illness is a pediatrics. Pay attention glass at. One who is rather fastidious meticulous. A written declaration of government or political parties manifesto worth eating edible. A person who wastes his money and luxury is extravagant. A medicine that soften the bolo luxative, sentimental longing for a period of past nostalgia. A person employed to drive a private hire car is chauffeur. A person who always run after women gender related to country west occidental. A partner in a crime is a compliance. A person who leaves on country to settle to another is immigrant. House and shelter of grapes is called Karkavan. One who deal with flower, a florist. A man who has more than one wife at time, polygamist. One who eat non-animal fleshy vegetarian. One who eat non-flesh animal fleshy vegetarian. A woman also husband is dead widow. One who help people by giving them money or other air benefactor. A group especially in the art regarded as being the most experiment avant great. A method of blowing briefly to cook food slightly paraboil.